Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to create an appraisal data tracker in Microsoft Excel to record, compare, and analyze employee performance ratings efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, open a new Excel workbook and set up your data structure. In the first row, enter headers such as employee ID, employee name, department, designation, appraisal period, previous rating, current rating, manager rating, and final score. You can also include additional columns for comments or promotion eligibility based on your organization's performance review format. Enter employee details under these headers to start building your dataset. This structured format ensures all appraisal-related data is centralized and easy to filter or analyze. Next, let's add formulas to calculate performance changes and averages. To calculate the improvement or decline in performance, create a column titled Rating Difference and type equals G2-F2 if your current rating is in column G and previous rating is in column F. This formula will show the rating change for each employee. You can also calculate an overall performance average by typing equals average open bracket G2:G20 close bracket in a cell below the ratings. This helps HR teams quickly identify performance trends across the organization. For final scores that depend on both manager rating and current rating, use a weighted average formula. For example, if manager rating carries 60% weight and current rating 40%, type equals open bracket G20.4 close bracket plus open bracket H20.6 close bracket. This gives a balanced score considering both self and managerial evaluations. Now let's make the tracker visually appealing and more insightful. Apply conditional formatting to the final score or rating difference columns. Highlight high performers in green and those with declining ratings in red. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Color Scales to apply gradient coloring that makes performance trends easier to spot. You can also create small charts, such as bar or column charts, to visualize department-wise performance. Select department and average rating data, then go to Insert Column Chart. In Unova HRMS, the Performance Management module automatically calculates rating differences, weighted scores, and department-wise appraisal summaries without manual formulas. Thank you for watching.